Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about Boolean operations. So, what are Boolean operations? From Boolean operation, you can create customized shape. Like if you want to design a logo, you can do that using Boolean operations. Let's choose some shapes like ellipse. And let's take another ellipse like this. And select both of them using Shift. So you can see on the top bar, we have Boolean operations. So the first one is union. Let's say you want to combine two shapes together. So you can select this union selection and it is now combined. And let me undo this, Control Z. Okay, they are normal again. Let's say I want to subtract, then I can do it from here. First I need to select both the shapes, then go to Boolean operations and subtract selection. And you can see the subtract operation. Okay, let's undo this one, Control Z. Okay, so the next one is interaction section. So you can see in intersection, only the middle section is remaining and all things are gone now. You can see this interaction section is only remaining. So the next one is exclude section. In exclude, only the interaction section will be cut off and all the things are gonna remain as it is. So let's click on the exclude section. You can see only this thing is cut out. So you just need to play with it. You can add more shapes like let's say rectangle like this, and let's select all of them and let's choose exclude section, and you can see the Boolean option is performed on these three shapes. Just play with it. You can make customized shape. If you want to make a logo, you can also do it from here. It is kind of logo, so you can just place it on the top left side like this. So that's how you can make customized shape using Boolean operations. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.